Morning guys, how we doing? It's 9:05. Kiddos just started the work. Feels a bit strange this morning with Rach here. Liam said it felt a bit like a Saturday with Mum here. But yeah, like today, like I said yesterday, today we've got a hospital appointment. That's the reason we haven't gone on Lacey's live this morning, because we've got to get ready, get sorted. But Lacey is doing a little bit of work while she can. So we're Rachel getting the house sorted as well. Needs a good clean up, so Rach started stripping this paper off last night as well. I never did like that paper, so that's going to have the same paper on as the bathroom upstairs. So get started on that today too. And like I said, just like cleaning. There's Thailand. Get hospital, aren't you? Have ears checked? Yeah. Right folks, it's 20 to 11. We will be leaving very shortly. Now, I've had a mare with the bathroom. I think because I was rushing a bit, so that's all I've got done at the minute. And need to pick up another roll now. Did have plenty, but I messed up over there a bit. Rushing, that's what it was. Should have just waited until this afternoon. Your warm coat? Yes, we will. So as you can see, Chloe's all ready. Yeah. Tell everyone where you're going. You're going to the hospital to get your ears checked. Is that right? You're going to have a hearing test. Hey?
Yeah, it's done here.
What?
I got this necklace.
Nice, isn't it? It's a nice necklace. Yeah, so Sandra's done some of her work, but she's coming along with us. How are you getting on, Liam? All right.
Yeah, it's got science.
Science. And Rachel's been cleaning. She's done the room upstairs, but down here is a mess at the minute. And I'll just show you. We took the unit up that she built last night, so I'll just show you that quickly, if I can. Yeah. It's alright, isn't it? The range, if people wanted to know, it's from the range. Here we go then, off to Newark Hospital. Never been to that one. I can honestly say I never even realised there was a hospital there. But I presume, I mean, like last time when we went with Sophie, we had to go all the way to Laos. I'm presuming we're having to travel to these hospitals, the ones that aren't dealing with the situation in the world right now or something like that, because none of these are our local hospitals. You look nice today, don't you? Are you nervous or are you alright? Nervous, nothing to be nervous about for you. Hopefully we won't be long, but you never know. And on the way back we have to pop to the shop, so I'll see you when we're there. We've made it alright. Yeah, it's quite a small hospital. It says on the letter to go to outpatient department, but I couldn't see that. But then it says on the letter to go to the main entrance, which is over there. So I'm going to get a ticket, because of course you have to pay, don't you? And you're going to go with Chloe Bow. Good luck, Chloe. It says on there all you do is wear headphones, listen to sounds, things like that. They'll tell you what to do, yeah? So don't be nervous. You'll be fine, okay?
Yeah, but you're
You'll be fine. Anyway, I think the first 40 minutes of it is free, so... Right, they've gone off, so me and Lace, we're going to... Whoop. Me and Lace, we're going to do some more of your schoolwork, aren't we? Well, you did do some, and I've took some pictures to upload while we're here, and you're going to do your maths. And then you'll only have... What was the other lesson you had today? No, you done that. Science. So you'll just have science to do when she gets home. Okay? Unless we can do it here. But hopefully, Mummy won't be long anyway. There they go. We've done a little bit of schooling, haven't we? It's hard though on my phone. I find it hard. Liam does it all on his phone. I don't know how he does it. I like to do it on Lacey's laptop. It's bigger than that, isn't it? Oh no, I don't know how he manages on his phone, but he does. Anyway, so while we wait, they are being seen. Rach texts me, so hopefully it won't be too long. But we're going to play a bit of hang bang, aren't we? That's what we're going to do. And I'll tell you what, there was forecast snow around our region. We didn't get any as usual. It's all rain. It's wet and horrible here too. But they can't have had snow too far away from here, because look at this car. I don't know if you'll be able to see it.
So we've recorded the car.
Over there. On that windscreen. I don't know if you can see it. They're just about to get in the car. There they are. Was that alright? Yeah, Rach just texted me on the way, on her way out, and said the hearing's all fine. So that rules that out. See, the reason she came for it, if people didn't know, is because of her speech. And they thought maybe that she'd had glue ear or something like that. But that's all fine apparently. So that's ruled that out. Wasn't it, Bo? It was easy, wasn't it? Yeah, no to worry about. No. We're back, guys. Finished. Helped Lacey finish her schoolwork off, which is good. Yeah, so they said at the hospital, you know, not to worry too much about Chloe's speech. They said, you know, there's a lot of kids the same like that, but when they get to about 6, 7, they seem to just come on. So I don't know. Maybe, I mean, she's got a thing soon, actually, for speech thing over the phone, or is it video? So maybe she'll just have to have a bit of speech therapy, I don't know. But good news is that at least everything's alright with her ears, so that's good news. Right, guys, it's 4:15. Rachel's just started tea. It's back bowl tonight, spaghetti bolognese. And I'm going to bath these dogs because on my days do they stink. Oh, stink indeed. You're going upstairs, Mike, because you're going for a bath. Yeah, that's it, go out for a wee first. Because you're not going out there after. Look at them, they look like drowned rats. Oh, they've got some nice doggy shampoo there, yeah. Yes, that's a nice one.
Can I wash Milo's body?
Come on, man, get him wet first. It's okay, Wab, I'm coming now. I'm going to put the camera down, Wab.
But I'm not washing.
Okay, and I'll get you washed. I've had the bath, scruffed up like air dryer. It's alright, we'll get it on cool, don't worry, don't panic.
Yeah, look, we're holding that. That's what my wife's done.
Yeah, he's not that keen, but yeah, so Chloe's brushing him nicely. Nicely. Lacey's drying him, and he's had some coconut spray on him for dogs. The doggies smell all fresh now, like coconut. I wonder how long it'll last. Probably not long. Anyhow, it's tea. It's coming along nicely. Joe's calf again. Noodles here for the others that don't like spag bowl. Did you? Oh. Of course, got some garlic bread. It's gone in here. We like a bit of garlic bread with a spag bowl, don't we, Doc? Sandra, you look very tired and worn out today, I have to say. You don't sleep. Ow. Liam! Any work sent back today? Lacey has.
What?
Spellings.
What about it?
I can't remember what they put, I'll show you. Get my phone. I haven't seen you today. Who's this under here, everyone? Who is this silly girl hiding? It's the Nater. It's the Gator.
I want a new one.
It's the Shirley. Nothing wrong with that photo. Sorry. Yeah, it's a nice photo.
That woman's bruised my arm. It's bruised both.
Oh, it does.
Where did you find the camera?
It was in the car.
Where?
Dropped out my pocket.
Oh.
On the floor. Yeah, I thought I'd lost my camera earlier. Luckily I hadn't. Here it is. Here's mine. Yeah, with spag bowl we normally have the long spaghetti, but Soph reckons she's not keen on that sort of spaghetti, so we've got them. But still the same thing to me. It'll all go down one hole. Enjoy. Starting to get addicted on that Fortnite, I reckon. I've been having a few more games with Liam. No good at it, like. I got 2 kills. That's poor. Very poor. It's one more than last go I had. But yeah, I've been having a few goes on that on it with him. But now I'm off for a bath. I've had a nice bath. Now I'm going to take Chloe Bo to bed. We've got a cup of tea for bed tonight. That's nice. But she wants a race as usual. But she always cheats, guys. She always cheats. Look, she's ahead of me. Right, go, go. No, you can't moan if I'm in front. Quick. She can't do it for laughing. You're blocking me. You cheat. I say it's a draw.
What, we both win?
Yeah, we both win.
Yeah.
Okay. Say good night to my vlog. Say night.
Night.
And I wonder who's going to make me a nice hot drink tonight. Sophie's apparently. It's Sandra. She's not been very good today. I don't know what's up with Sandra today. She's not been herself at all, has she? Anyway, there's no little treats tonight to have with the coffee, but I do believe there might be some bickies. Some bickies lace. There's some bickies. Where's the bickies lace? There's some bickies in there, have we? Oh, that'll do. I like that. I know it's a mess in there again. Thought you'd sorted that cupboard out for us. Oh, I don't like them ones. These will do. Ah, you having your tea, Wabs? Don't know if you can see me properly here because it's a bit dark, a bit dull. And it is 10 PM. We're off to bed. Yes, Lacey's still up. Soph's still up. Chloe and Liam are in bed. But we've been watching the Drowning, the second episode. Strange one that, but really got into it. Anyhow, oh, thanks for the light, Lacey. Oh, no, it makes me look worse. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have had a great day. See you tomorrow. Take care.
And peace.